Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Medasvi Commerce Classes. So in this video we are going to discuss about how to prepare your P&L appropriation account. In your accountancy first chapter we have this 6 marks problems: P&L appropriation account, product method, average period method and guarantee of profit. Out of these 4 problems, one question you are going to get compulsory in your annual examination. So in this video we are going to discuss about the P&L appropriation account and how to solve the P&L appropriation account. So now without much delay we'll move on to discuss this problem and solving this problem. Before that, if you people have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel Medasvi Commerce Classes, and also share with your friends also, so that they can also learn about this accountancy as well as business studies and score a good marks in their PUC. And many of my subscribers or belong to 2024 batch. Please do, I am requesting you, please do suggest my channel to your juniors also, so that it will be helpful for them also to prepare for their examination. So now we'll move on to this P&L appropriation account. Before going to this P&L appropriation account, first we have to understand what do you mean by P&L appropriation account. P and L stands for profit and loss. What do you mean by this appropriation? Appropriation is nothing but distribution. We'll call this as distribution. Ma'am, what do you mean by this? Profit and loss distribution account. See, as we all know that in the financial statements, we used to prepare profit and loss account and balance sheet. In profit and loss account, we used to find out what is the profit earned in the business during that particular year. So that account is meant for finding out the profit or loss which is earned or incurred in that year. After finding the profit, then that profit should be distributed for various purposes. That will be done in this P&L appropriation account. So profit and loss appropriation, it is nothing but profit and loss distribution. How your profits are distributed among the partners for different purposes, that will be shown in your profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, so now it is just an extension of the profit and loss account. First we'll prepare the profit and loss account, we'll find out the profit and loss, then we are going to distribute that profit in your P&L appropriation account. Okay, now we'll quickly move on to this. Pramod and Praveen commenced business with capitals of 80,000 and 60,000 respectively. So now here 80,000 is the capital of Pramod's and 60,000 is the capital of Praveen's. Okay, they agreed to share the profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. 3:2 is their profit sharing ratio. For the year ending 31st/3/25, they earned a profit of rupees 24,000. This is important, we require. So how much profit they have earned? 24,000. I told you profit will be distributed in the P&L appropriation account. So to distribute that we require a profit. So profit is given in the problem. For what and all purpose you have to distribute it, that is listed over here in this problem. We'll just go through one by one. Interest on capital at 6% per annum. For each partner you have to give interest on the capital which is invested by that partner. So how much percentage? That is 6% per annum. Per annum in the sense for 1 year it is 6%. Annual salary to Praveen rupees 5,000. So for Praveen you are paying a salary of rupees 5,000, and observe one thing, it is annual salary. Annual salary is nothing but per year salary. For 1 year you are supposed to pay 5,000 rupees as a salary to Praveen. Interest on drawings. So interest on drawings is Pramod rupees 1,500, Praveen rupees 1,000. So drawings is nothing but the money which is withdrawn by the partners for their personal purposes. So for that money the partners has to pay the interest to the company, interest to the firm. So that interest whatever we have collected is from Pramod we are taking 1,500, from Praveen we are taking 1,000. And they have also given partners drawings, Pramod 15,000 and Praveen 10,000. Keep it in your mind, this should not be taken into consideration. It should be ignored. See, in your P&L appropriation, to confuse you people, they will give you partners drawings. Partners drawings don't take, only interest on drawings will be considered. That's it. Okay. Now prepare the P&L appropriation account. We'll solve the problem now. One thing you have to keep it in your mind, that is in the credit side of your P&L appropriation account, we are going to get the profit which is given in the problem, as well as interest on drawings. In credit side, we will record profit and interest on drawings. In the debit side, we will record interest on capital, salary, commission and all those things. Salary, commission, etc. Keep it in your mind, in the credit side only two items will come. What are those two items? One is profit which is earned in the business and the interest on drawings. We will start with solving the problem. First, as I already told you, we have to record the profit or loss which is given in the problem in the credit side of your P&L appropriation account. So that should be recorded as by profit and loss account, by profit and loss account. So in the bracket we'll mention it as net profit. Net profit. See how much is the profit given in the problem? That is 24,000. Record the 24,000 here. 24,000. Yes, now we have recorded with this. Next we will move on to the items one by one here. What is the first item given here? Interest on capital. Interest on capital is at 6% per annum. So interest on capital will come to the debit side. That is 2 interest on capital. 2 interest on capital. We'll record one by one. Who is the first partner? Pramod. Pramod equals, what is the capital of Pramod? Pramod's capital is 80,000. 80,000 into what is the percentage of interest given? 6%. That is 6%, which comes to 80,000 into 6%. That comes to 4,800. 4,800. Next, Praveen equals, what is the Praveen's capital? Praveen's capital is 60,000. 60,000 into 6%. 60,000 into 6%, which comes to 60,000 into 6%, 3,600. So now you add both this 4,800 and 3,600 and take it to the next outer column. That is 4,800 plus 3,600, which comes to 8,400. So next, now we have completed with the interest on capital. Next one is annual salary. You have to give the salary to Praveen. So we'll record that to salary to Praveen. Salary to Praveen. Salary to Praveen, how much it is? 5,000. Salary to Praveen is 5,000. Yes, we have recorded the salary also. Go with the next item. Next item is interest on drawings. Interest on drawings will be recorded in which side? It will be recorded in the credit side of your P&L appropriation account. We will move on to the credit side by interest on drawings. Interest on drawings, which comes to, first one is Pramod. Pramod equals, what is the Pramod's drawings? Pramod's drawings is 1,500. Next, Praveen. Praveen equals, Praveen's drawing is 1,000. So which comes to 2,500. Okay, now we have recorded everything, and here they have given the partner's drawings. That should be ignored, as I already told you. Now after recording this, you have to add these two things in the credit side. 24,000 plus 2,500. Add these two things, which comes to 26,500. See, write this total on both the sides, 26,500. Write the total on both the sides. Now, from this total, you should minus these two items, that is 8,500 and 5,000. So, which comes to 13,100. See, total we had 24,000 profit plus 2,500 we have collected the interest from the partners. So, which comes to 26,500. In this 26,500 we have given interest on capital, we have given salary. Remaining is 13,100. This 13,100 will be distributed among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. Okay. So, now we will move on to here to profit transferred to partners capital accounts. Transferred to partners capital accounts. Now we will move on to one by one partner. Who is the first partner? Pramod. Pramod equals, what is the profit which we have earned here after distributing? That is 13,100. 13,100 into, what is their profit sharing ratio? You can see here it is 3:2. 3 is Pramod, 2 is Praveen. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 by 5. 3 by 5 which comes to 13,100 into 3 divided by 5 which comes to 7,860 rupees. Next come to Praveen. Praveen equals 13,100 into 2 divided by 5. 2 divided by 5 equals 13,100 into 2 divided by 5, 5,240 rupees. So, when you add these two things, you should get this 13,100. Hope you people understood how to solve the P and L appropriation. It is very simple and very easy. That's why I am going to solve only 2 to 3 problems. That's it. This is the basic simple problem which I have taken for you people. Hope you understood. One thing, keep it in your mind. In the credit side, you are going to get only profit and interest on drawings. Remaining everything you have to write it in the debit side only. And if drawings are given in the problem, drawings should be ignored. Hope you people understood this P and L appropriation account. So, for the next problems on next video, please stay tuned to my channel. Until that, take care. Bye.